Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm Champa FM. My brother kama banu phuma kuphi?
Khuluma nokhwezi ngiphuma la e-morning side my brother.
Igame ibone kanjani njami?
Igame ihambe kahle wena mfowethu yazi.
Yeah.
Idlale kahle Orlando Pirates ngidlela umona mina ngikho sifene.
Uyikho?
Yeah, idlale kahle but bengazelanga kuzo congratulate bengifuna iwin Richards Bay la yazi.
Bobuli Pirates ishaw.
Kabi.
Yeah.
But ke kwenzekile iwinile. Congratulations.
Sure.
Arrows finally ayithathi Arrows.
Wayizoshaya iPirates.
Izoshaya iPirates ayithathi into yabona ikhali black people le Arrows.
Injalo bhuti.
Siyahamba baba Khosi for life.
Danko.
Nakashaya.
Sure. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?